Hi guys, this is Black Prism. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this really gritty bass that you can hear in most of Marshmello's tracks. Let's hear an example from a remix I made recently. We're going to start making the sound by initializing the preset. So go to Menu and click on Init Preset. The oscillator part is really simple. For the first oscillator, go to the Digital tab and choose the Crash Wobbs wavetable. Set the wavetable position to 80 and lower the pitch of the oscillator by 2 octaves. For the second oscillator, leave the default saw wave, lower the pitch of the oscillator by 2 octaves, and lower the level of the oscillator to 58%. Now we're going to add some portamento to the sound. So go to the voicing section, set the sound to mono, and set the portamento to 106 milliseconds. And that's it for the oscillator part. Now onto the effects section. Enable the hyperdimension effect and set the mix to 25%. This will give stereo to the sound. And usually you don't want to have stereo on the low end of your song. So I recommend using some plugin that can isolate the low end and set it to mono. In FL Studio, for example, you can use Maximus to achieve this. The next effect is distortion. Enable it and set the drive to 70%. Now for the effect that really gives it that characteristic grittiness. Enable the compressor and check the multiband option. Also, to increase the volume a little bit, lower the threshold a little bit and raise the gain to about 4 dB. And lastly, to polish the sound up a little bit, enable the EQ effect. For the first band, set it to a peak filter. Set the frequency to about 1300 Hz, set the resonance to 35%, and set the gain to about 5 dB. For the second band, leave the shelf band type, set the frequency to about 5000 Hz, set the resonance to about 40%, and lower the gain to minus 14 dB. You can probably get better results if you use external plugins for the effects, but since I'm trying to contain everything within one serum, this is the best I could get it to sound. Anyway, that's it, the sound is done. Let's hear it once more. I hope that you like the sound. I personally really like the sound. And if you have any comments or suggestions for future sounds or something like that, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.